Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Twitch username. If this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to twitch.tv and then you want to go ahead and log into your account. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto your avatar, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then you want to come down and click onto settings. This is going to bring you across to your settings page, and if you look at the options at the top of the page on this kind of menu bar, what you want to do is just make sure you're clicked onto profile. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down the page until you get to profile settings. And you can see I've got username here, and this is where you would change it. So just a note that you can only update your username in 2 months, every 2 months. So it doesn't let you constantly change your username. If you've changed it, you do need to wait 2 months again before you can change it again. So as you can see, this is a new account that I've set up for tutorial videos. And because it's new, it's not going to let me update my username again until 2 months have gone by. But obviously once 2 months have gone by, I can go ahead and change that. And then it'll be another 2 months before I can change it again. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.